May I bring you greetings from Northern Clarendon. Kelly's division. May I win that division there from PMP running. And then can't walk over me. So when time I tell you no say, do white civils, I go bring home that day constituency there. You don't believe Palo. At the moment, Labour right have 5-1. Mr. Chin down there, he said, ma, giant killer. I said, him say. So he said, we're not going to write him off. But we know, say, we are going to bring him back the 5 MP in another in Clarendon. In a Clarendon. But Labour right, it's not all about the hype, you know. It's all about the vote. So me ask you guys, come Wednesday, make sure you don't come out, come vote. We know our Prime Minister is doing a wonderful job. But me ask you now, we don't make your old man win back. Because we never do when he's young. How am I going to do it when he's old? You see Warren Newby? And from 2007, I Warren Newby, I walk out the whole another in Clarendon. So I know what him can do. And I know saying have people best interest of heart. So Northwest Clarendon, make sure so when you come Wednesday, when you come out, come forth to Warren Newby.
Shout, 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 shout.
So at this time, we're gonna call CJ Bandu to the stage. He's the councillor caretaker for the Police Division, and he's also the coordinator for that division.
Shout, 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 shout.
Shout Labour right.
Shout,
Bump the tune,
shout,
selector.
shout.
Bump the tune.
Shout, 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 shout.
Come here and see the people there at this hours of night. Say good things are going on. You don't want to press Clarendon. You don't get any better than this. Because right now in Northwest Clarendon, we have the best of the best of the best. One Newby. The election day, go out there, come out early and vote. I am asking all Labour right, please vote before 12 o'clock. And when we vote before 12 o'clock, we know what the thing there. And we know what to do. Alright? Come out early. You have a little red man up and down about the place. They have been 23 years. Hold on, man. How long are you there? 23. 23. I did have a little white man that day before here. And they said that man there workless. But if him there for 23, make me do the maths now. How much time you can divide 4 into 23? 4.5 time, right? So in 4.5 time, workless than the white man. You see him come here with Marky G and him tour. And him drive down the whole Northwest Clarendon. And when he reach over one place, him silent till. He go up on stage and say, him not get the people them nothing to eat, nor nothing to drink. Labour right, we don't move them way there. It was Holy Thursday. And I was going through after past the meeting. But I stop and I fast. And as I told Labour right, I cut through and I stop them and say, yo, soon I'm born here. The people them rush me car. Say them want born, because them hungry, because I don't give them nothing to eat from there. They look on them and say, I Labour right born. But not because say me a Labour right. Them say they hungry, they want it.
Shout, 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 shout.
Same time, my phone ring. And I answer the phone. I say, what go on, Warren? Warren say, why they not so much nice I do? I I saw some PMP rush here, so say they want the bun and I labor right them to get the bun, me a carry again. Warren said to me, say, from once them hungry, give them the bun, because them are people just like we, and them are Jamaican, give them the bun. And because of Warren, that's them gonna eat bun for the Easter. So Warren don't only care about JLP people, he care about everybody. So if a man out there PMP, and no say not going to give Warren the X, turn on your yard. Because when we win, we have to look out for you.
Shout, 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 shout.
Sunday we were in Moravia. And when I look at the crowd, I say, wow, I know when Northwest Clarendon win. I know when JLP are going to win election. And Sunday in Moravia, I say, yeah, Warren, you gone with it. We come back and get a bell carry, so I look for the people in this week. Say, yeah, JLP gone with it again. And I come up Frankfield, look for the hours and night we meet in just a start. That tell you, say, Warren gone with it. So labor rights from near, labor rights from far. Make sure election day come out early. Vote before 12 o'clock. You see, as police station open, I don't know if they're the first giant line. Make people go up there and say, yo, me gone back and me and call labor right the line long up that me can't get before. So I want to make sure to come out early and vote. And remember, rain and fall. Vote before the rain. Show a labor right.
Alright. So, everybody in the Tombstone division know this man. We call him the short boss. Because anything him see, he might go chop it down. Because when the PMP them come to him say, he chop them down.
This is the motherland from the division. Show them a light. This is no joke. Show them a light. I want you to understand that this election is not a joke one. And we are in the motherland of the constituency. We are in the motherland of Northwestern Clarendon, which is the Frankfield division. Let me just pause to recognize my councillor colleagues on the platform here. Of course, I have a big up man like Paulo. Councillor Newby for the Kelix division, Northern Clarendon, of course. And of course, I have to big up my councillor colleagues who own this land, the Frankfield division, Clive Mundell. Man like Roxy Miller, who have been working hard for decades now in this constituency. Big up yourself, my boss. Of course, the coordinator for Spalding's division, Bandu. And I saw Camille Drive somewhere here. Councillor, caretaker for the Reaches division. And guess what? I saved the best for last. One Warren Newby. One Warren Newby. I want you to understand something in Frankfield division. That Warren Newby is the best choice for Northwestern Clarendon at this time. Northwestern Clarendon, if we make the mistake and don't choose Warren Newby, we will be in serious problems. While I respect the former member of parliament who would have passed before, of course Edwin Allen, Clifton Stone, Michael Stark, they would have done well. I'm telling you, the next best is Warren Newby for Northwestern. Thanks to town as we speak. The little old man over there. They invite the goat man. So I leave them in Thompson Town. But I want to tell them something. I am giving them a warning. The Thompson Town division will remain in the column of the Jamaican Labour Party. Yes, they're under pressure. From 2016, we took that division. No turning back. No turning back in the Thompson Town division. And I can tell you tonight that rest assured, come next week, Wednesday, the Thompson Town division will be saved under the column of the Jamaican Labour Party. They said that this government brought in some old our buses. And I said to them that 90% of them were seeking to represent in Parliament are older than every single bus that we brought into Jamaica today. But yet they are seeking to represent people.
Good morning. Everybody wants to wake up, keep talking. Yeah, hello, bad mind. How you doing today? How you doing today?
I watched the debate the other night, and I heard them speak about they want to take control of this country. The country that would have sacrificed it over the years to make the economy better. And now they are saying that they want to come on board and they want to rob Jamaican people again. Jamaican people will not trust them with the purse no more. That is thing of the past. They said the 1.5 couldn't work, but they're coming with 3.5. Then if 1.5 couldn't work, how 3.5 going to work for them? The last thing I will say to you tonight, that there are consequences coming for that. So don't be fooled by their tricky and their sticky fingers. They want to get their hands back on the government purse, but that will not happen. And I want to say to you tonight that, you know, Northwestern Clarendon, I have no doubt in my mind that the Jamaican Labour Party will form the next government. But we have to ensure that Northwestern Clarendon is in it. We are ready to win it. This is the team for victory.
That is it. Yeah, man. When I say one, you say Warren. One. I want it louder, man. When I say one, you say Warren. One. You're going to take it to them. So at this time, I'm going to call Horseman at this time.
Every time them ramp around Warren Newby in Northwestern Clarendon, what God do again? What God do again, brother? When them ramp around Warren, God make him build stronger, don't it? Alright. Me no come to talk, you know. Because me supposed to be there at Ochereas tonight. But how me I go at Ochereas when I Frankfield me born? Me born and you saw. And I Warren Newby around. Me did that today, I said tonight. I'm going to give you people a piece of boxing, right? Because Northwestern Clarendon them say it's a back seat. So them have to fight. This is 10 rounds of heavyweight championship boxing between the two heavyweights of Northwestern Clarendon. And the green and white corner this afternoon. He raising at 177 pounds. Well supported by our labor rights of Northwestern Clarendon. Coming from the green corner, the young man, Warren Newby, Northwestern Clarendon.
This guy is shooting with an paper.
And the orange corner. And the orange and black corner, the old man. He comes in overweight this afternoon. He comes in at 215 pounds. Well supported by some PNP of Northwestern Clarendon. He comes up to fight against the young, strong, brilliant, fit Warren Newby. Here is the bell now for the very first round as the two boxers now step into the rear of the ring. Here is Warren Newby now. One to the left rib cage of Richard Hazan backing up on the rope. Here's Hazan now with a wild left foot taken on the glove now by Warren Newby. Here is Newby now. One to the left face, one to the right face, one to the left eye, one to the right side, one to the north, one to the north. A big right hand by Warren Newby! Oh my goodness me! Richard Hazan is laying down on the canvas. He can't move. My goodness me. This is Percy against the wicked right hand. Yeah. Show a labor right. You know what I say? Hold on to my boss. Second liquor. Second. You know what I say? It's a monger. We talk. And the boss the talk. Me have more about which I just give you another one here. A football time now. Don't. Me not give the race ass convention or no cricket or nothing more. Me go give you now the football one. In a Frankfield when me born. Waterworks. This football match is between the Jamaica Labour Party, playing in their customary green and white colors. Their captain is the young man Andrew Michael Holness. He's wearing the number 10 jersey this afternoon. Playing over the ball with him, Warren Newby. He's wearing the number 9 jersey and he's playing forward over the ball. In gold, for the People's National Party is their captain Master Mark. He's wearing the number 2 jersey. Playing in the sweeper position, the old man Richard Hazan. He's wearing the number 3 jersey. Here comes the ball now. Bouncing around in the middle of the field. Picked up by the captain of the Jamaica Labour Party. And Jamaica Holness now. Beating 1, beating 2. He plays a long ball over toward the right side and finding Del right chuck. Here is Chuck to the Lona Sib right. The Jamaica Labour Party coming forward in their numbers now. Here comes a long ball over toward the left side of the field. Shot toward goal and cleared away by the defense of the PNP. And the ball goes into touch for a throw to be taken by the Jamaica Labour Party. Here's a throw now. Taken quickly. The referee is looking at his watch. Still 0-0 is the scoreline. Dwight Sibbers with a long throw inside and finding Nestor Morgan. Morgan plays a good ball over and give it to Delroy Williams. Williams plays it way over toward the right side and finding Desmond McKenzie. Here is the Jamaica Labour Party now, still coming forward in their numbers. The Jamaica Labour Party can't afford to lose this one. neither they can't afford to join either. Northwestern Clarendon, my goodness me, good ball inside. Here is the young driller told us now with the ball. Blaze it and give it over toward the outside to Xavier Main. Here is Xavier Main. Here is Xavier Main now with the ball. Blaze it and give it now to the captain of the Jamaican Labour Party and Jamaican Oldness. Beating one, beating two. Places inside the 18-yard box and finding Warren Newby. The young man from Northwestern Clarendon. Skillful play. Here's Warren Newby coming inside the 18-yard box now. My goodness me. He's played it through the legs of Peter Gazan. Here's Warren Newby. One love. Show a labor right.
Yeah, man. So at this time, this person is very special to me because I've known him for a few years, but I can't see say work. And he is in charge of this division. And because me see so much of uno come out here tonight at this late hour, me know say, me not to ask, uno love him bad. And because me know say some man not take chat, time to do the work. For uno, I want you to welcome the one and only.
First labor right. I want to greet my colleagues. I have Mr. Bandu from Sparling. My councillor colleague, Councillor Henry from the Thompson Division. My good friend and councillor colleague, the one and only Palo, Kelly's Division. And my good friend, Miss Blackstock. Labour rights, I want to tell you that the man of the moment and the man of the night, you know me, I'm going to call him MP fan tonight. Because my Bible tells me the tongue is powerful and whatever you speak will come into being. I'm going to say my MP, Warren Newby, one and only. Labour rights, first let me thank the workers of the Frankfield Division. We have some dedicated workers that went out today and they did an excellent job. And I am proud of you all. Labour rights, the coordination and the way we work together today tells me that come Wednesday, we are going to make history in Northwest Clarendon. And labour rights, I have no doubt that the Frankfield Division will turn out in numbers. I have no doubt that every labour right in the Frankfield Division that is on the voters list will go out there and vote for Warren Newby. The other man have no plan. Absolutely no plan. And how could you put a whole man against a young stallion? Labour rights, let me tell you something. I am getting up there in age too. And when I am walking with Warren, I can't keep up with him. So if me can't keep up with him, and look how me slim and trim, and the other man look pan him got in front of him. Tell me, how am I going to keep up with Warren? Labour rights, choose the young man. The young man is full of ideas. The young man is strong. As one of my colleagues said before, that man was here for 23 years. Never do nothing in Frankfield Division. Because he said Frankfield Division is a labour right division. So labour rights,
Don't make the
Shout,
mistake.
shout, shout, shout.
Come out, labor rights. Come out and support Warren. Come out and support the Jamaica Labour Party. If you look at national issues and you look at the way the country is running, this is the best I have ever seen the country in my 58 years since I am on this earth.
Shout, 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 shout.
I tell you, labor rights, as I said, the man has no plan. I see Warren get some resources and he advocate to NWA and other agencies and are fixing road left, right and center. And I hear one man a quarrel and say I'm going to sue him. So let me tell you something, labor right. I know Warren he wants to sue, you know. And the Jamaica Labour Party and Northwest Clarendon Progress he wants to stop. Because labor rights, he was planning and campaigning on those issues. And now he don't have nothing for campaign pan. And he don't have nothing to say about Warren, if I don't know nothing about Warren. So therefore, he might try to find something. But labor rights, if you are get road, even if election make you get it, your road are fixed. If you are get water, and even if election make you get water, you are getting. Once the road fixed, nobody can go back and take up the asphalt. Once you get water in your pipe, nobody can go shut it off. So they would want to put a narrative out there to saying that the things that we are doing, we are just doing them because of election. And nothing no go so later.
Shout, 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 shout. Shout, 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 shout.
When you have a man who is not in government yet and not getting government resources and go out there and do all what he is doing, you have to say that this is a good man to represent you in Parliament.
Shout, 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 shout.
So labor right, especially young people, I heard they're going around promise you all sorts of things. But let me tell you something. We don't make promise, we make commitment. Because promise then say is a comfort to a fool. But when we make commitment and we commit to you that we will do something, you can rest assured that we will do it. As my colleague say, labor right and a fool. So don't let them come around and trick you and try to say them are going to give you one little money. That can't help you labor right. You want sustainability. One night dinner can't help you. Them say you must teach a man how to fish. And Warren Newby will empower you and teach you how to fish labor right. So you will have a lot of fishes. Not only for one night, but you will have it as long as Mr. Newby is your member of Parliament. So labor right, you know me not love talk long. Because you know me an action man. Me just love work. And anything me say me I gonna do, me just do it. So me I get straight to the point, labor right. Come Wednesday, me don't want to hear nobody about and a shuffle. And I talk say you not go vote for, you never get this or you never get that.
Shout, 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 shout.
Forget about who was here before. We have a new man, a good man, a young man, hard-working young man, one Warren Newby. So when Wednesday come, when you get your ballot, remember one
Shout,
Warren
shout,
Newby
shout, shout,
and the
shout,
Jamaica Labour Party. Choose Warren, choose Jamaica, choose and Jamaica Wellness. Show a labor right.
Shout, 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 shout.
So labor rights, with no further delay, I will
bring on our next member of parliament. A good man, a young man, an honest man, a hard-working man. He is a family man, and a man that will take care of Northwest Clarendon. I want you to put everything you have under my...
Liberals! Andrew, Michael, Wellness, run Jamaica. We have no doubt that he will return to his job as Prime Minister of Jamaica. We are playing this one because anywhere in there in the world tonight, I want to hear this from Are you ready to party? Come on now. Come on, let me see them hands in the air. Come on now. Listen. This is Frankfield Square. This is over area. Labour Right Central. Northwest Clarendon representing for the Jamaican Labour Party. Allow me to greet you and thank you for the overwhelming support that I've gotten in the last 5 months. It has been tough, but you, the workers and the supporters, have stood up. You have fought back and you have reclaimed Northwest Clarendon. We are on the road to victory. We have no doubts in our mind. We are claiming this for the Jamaica Labour Party. We want to say to our leader, you can depend on us. Liberals, let me tell you this. I have an awesome team in Northwest Clarendon. The Deputy Mayor, Clive Mundell, who represents you in the Frankfield Division. Councillor Colin Henry, who runs Thompson Town. My princess and Bonononos, Camille Marshall, that represents For Riches. My brethren from long time, CJ Bando, holding down in Spaldings. Miss Blackstock, who by day is in the teaching profession, but is now moonlighting as my Chief of Communications. My campaign manager, Mr. Sheldon Sinclair. My hard-working team of support staff. My social media team. My keyboard warrior who is standing up on my behalf. My excellent security team. Every worker of the Labour Party in Northwest Clarendon. I have to extend greetings to my friend Paulo Nemad. From 2007, Paulo, we've been walking this road.
We never depart from each other company. Anyway, me there, follow there. Anyway, follow there. Me did it too. Tonight has been made possible. But first, let me big up my biological brother, Oliver. You know what I mean? From ground zero, I just me and him. I want to tell you, say, the only reason why he's here is because I didn't go to my mother and tell her I want to umbrella to play cricket. Big up yourself, youth. Don't know. But then, beyond that, you know, God has gifted me a set of brothers who were not born of my mother, but the bond between all of us, you would never know that we have emerged from different families. I speak of none other than the members of the MNC. This has been made possible by them. I thank them from the very base of my heart for every gift, every service rendered, and particularly for this moment.
Shout, shout, shout.
Labor rights. I dream of a day when this very space will be filled with workers coming from the stuffed toy factory that is right beyond here. I dream of this day because I know that the young people in the Frankfield division and the wider Northwest Clarendon deserve good jobs. I know you deserve the best opportunities in life. Labor rights. They want to sell a message that dims vision. They want to sell a message that does not have hope in its center. Their message is barren. Ours will bear fruit because we have been speaking positively. Our movements have been positive. Our energy has been positive. And I have no doubt that the outcomes will also be positive. When they presented what they plan to do for this constituency, it was on one page, and two of the ideas listed there, Paulo, were stolen from I and I. Copy and paste.
Ring the bell.
low energy mean who I'm missing the neck, you know. This is no daddy business, you know. This is live business. So I get busy, ready now.
Jamaica, let us vote for a better Jamaica. In this election, let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. Vote for Labour. Grab your neighbor, vote for Labour. Tell your neighbor, vote for Labour. Everybody just vote Prime Minister, Granny used to say what you to Caesar money.
One on, introducing the opposition.
BNP not like that. I'm this to this Prime Minister. Granny used to say what you to Caesar motivate, inspire, live up Jamaica. Ring the bell, knock up back, pull up. Show your right. Show your right. BNP not like that song, yeah. Andrew Wood, that's the best Prime Minister. My granny used to say what you to Caesar motivate, inspire, live up Jamaica. Ring the bell, knock up back, cover. Lick right. Pull up, pull up, pull up. If you don't read one Newby, say one Newby. Say all your right. Lay right. I watch a thing today and it's like a cool thing.
We don't have to buy no crowd. We don't have to send the help from no next constituency. This crowd is 90% Frankfield division. We don't have to bust nobody from nowhere to come and pull up over railway in a Frankfield. Because the labor right them ready. This morning, I did election. Then wake up from 4:30 and then run up and down like a madam. And one time we look on the canvas in the evening, 3 out of the 4 polling station them in the constituency, we beat them bad like that. Liberals, we have no doubt in our minds that once you do what you have been instructed on Wednesday, it will be the last time that you hear of Richard Hassan on a ballot. Send it home.
Shout, 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 shout.
We are going to put an end to victimization in Northwest Clarendon. We are going to put an end to favoritism. We are going to put an end to the constant partisanship that they lead with. This time, it is for the people. All of them. Those emerging from the tough circumstances in which we were born. Those seeking for opportunity. Those who want to make better. Those whose ambition is boiling in their spirit and they need a force to release it that they can go on to achieve the highest heights in this country. I said this to you. When we say a second chance program, it is born out of the set of circumstances that so many of you have been denied your life goal because of situations beyond your control. That you have been denied
does not mean that that desire that you have has died. It is still there. And I want to say to you, you are not too old. You are not too young. You are not too poor. You are not too burdened. What you need is that spirit to be reignited in you. That what you desire is only an arm stretch away. And I come to release that you can go forward and collect that which God has ordained for you. Labor rights. Labor rights. I said to you, what Andrew Michael Holness has made possible in this country, by removing the debt from our backs, by stepping and crying, more opportunities are going to open. I want to say to you that the desires of our communities can be filled, but it can't happen without positive action. We don't want to build a dependency that is constantly looking up and stretching out its hand. We want to build resilience and independence in our people. PNP like poverty because their policies are to keep people poor. The Labour Party hates poverty but loves the poor. That is why education is free. That is why Hard Trust NTA is paying young people to make sure you get certified. It no matter what age you want me. The doors are open. And I'm saying to you, labor rights, that in Northwest Clarendon, so much of our human resource requires this added push. We are committing to doing that. I've told them we're going to create jobs, because everything grows in Northwest Clarendon. But when the farmer reaps it, he has to sell the produce out of here. And the price that he gets for the produce is not as good as what he would get for the product. I tell you, labor rights, see them coming because the meeting done. Nothing over there but emptiness.
Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Vote for the Labour Party. Hold on, we must save our country. Vote on to the Labour Party. Hold on for our posterity. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Vote for the Labour Party. Hold on, we must save our country. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Vote for the Labour Party. Hold on, we must save our country. Vote on to the Labour Party. Hold on for our posterity. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? country. Vote on to the Labour Party. Hold on for our prosperity. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Labour. Who you voting for? Vote for the Labour Party. Hold on, we must save our country.
So let me listen, on Friday evening, we didn't meet done already because nobody not done there. Let me tell you something. Hey, wait there, see there. Them can't manage this under there. Them can't manage. A grey fielder, 0155KL. We're blocking. So please, let's put up the rubric. Liberites, we have put out our position on what it is that we plan to do for Northwest Clarendon. But you are not sharing it because we want the people to see the ideas that we have. So it's available on all of our social media platforms. At Facebook, we have Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram with the positions that we have put forward that will lift this constituency into its full future. What I want to say to you tonight is that we are in the close of our campaign. Tomorrow we are in Kilsip and then in Lodge Green. On Sunday we have a mass rally in Thompson Town Square where we're going to show them what a crowd looks like. And then to close the entire deal, on Monday, meet us in Victoria when all four divisions will meet there, and then we will deliver the final message of this campaign. I want you to share the manifesto. Put it out. It's called Get Active. It's a call to action to all of you. In your exercise, in your families, in the conduct of your enterprise, in your schools, in your churches. It is a call to action to take back charge of these communities. Take back charge of this constituency. Take charge of the planning. Take charge of the delivery of services. Take charge of all that is happening around us, such that we are going to rise together and we are going to make this the model constituency in all of the 63 that Jamaica has. When the other announcement I have for you is that the Prime Minister is coming on Monday. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. And we are going to tour much of the constituency. It starts at 11 a.m. and we're going to meet him in Thompson Town. And then we are going to curse way right through the constituency. I want you to come out. If you are not in a vehicle, take 2 limb off of 1 tree. Take out your green flag. Take out your green rag. And come out on the roadside to show them that we are ready in Northwest Clarendon. When I came here 5 months ago, the thought was that this was gone. It could not be reclaimed. In fact, most persons that I saw were despondent, and the comrades were celebrating. In their mind, all I was is a lamb to the slaughter. But you, Labourites, have believed from day one. You have stood up in your communities and in your homes. And so many who have turned their backs on the People's National Party and have come to join us in the Jamaica Labour Party in this campaign. I want to celebrate you also. No matter what they said, we've kept rising. Labourites, I want to thank you for coming out tonight. The MNC truck is going nowhere. They're going to play some music and we'll party a little bit more. But one of our supporters is right around the corner having a party. So if you feel to buy a drink, I know everyone on our Labourite businesses, make we go around and go buy a drink from our people and make them feel good too. I want you with Labourite. We support each other. We are not a bad mind. We are big up. So when this done, we go around the song. But I want to thank you from the base of my heart for everything that you have done. Every worker that is out in the field. Everybody that is speaking to their friends and their family. All of you who are going beyond and just going the extra mile to make sure that this dream comes to reality. I owe you. I thank you. God bless and keep you. until we meet again. Listen.
Shout, 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 shout.
Laborers, thank you all for coming. We're gonna sing our party anthem now. Because we never close out without singing our party anthem. Equal rights and justice is our everlasting song. Unity and progress will make our nation strong. Stand up for your rights when you hear the bell. Stand up for justice, hear the freedom bell. Remember Bustamante serves you well. Stand up, Jamaicans, when you hear the bell. Shout, laborers!
Shout, 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 shout.
Shower labor right to the ready boy. Northwest Clarendon. Come on, get up. Y'all in a bungle. Y'all from Rima, y'all from Jungle. Out at the boss. Rima, y'all from Jungle. North Carolina, they must be up there. Don't mix it. Don't mix it again. Don't mix it again. Just stop the roots. Don't mix it again.